Hey everyone, about 10 o'clock at night. I'm just about ready to start listening to Michael Stacken's live stream. I was over by the fire pit. My dog started going crazy. I had to put him inside the fifth wheel. Almost have a full moon out. Can you hear that coy dog? Check out that moon. It's almost a full moon. Full moon will be tomorrow night, not tonight. I don't know if you listen closely. You can hear that coy dog. He doesn't sound like he's that far away. Only sounds like one though. Usually they travel in packs.